Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Now it's that time of the year when festivities will start kicking in month on month, and literally every now and then there will be something to celebrate. Now, when Indian festivals are involved, there's a lot of jewelry, right? There's gold, there's silver, there's stone, there's imitation, you name it. There's always some metal that's always out there. Now, when you combine that with an equally colorful and diverse wardrobe choice, such as our Indian wear, you have to make sure that everything along with makeup comes together and goes hand in hand. So, with all those factors in mind, I have created this makeup look that is good for Indian occasions and Indian festivities. So yeah, let's get started. I've already done my base with my foundation and concealer, so I will just directly go in with the eyes now. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply my eyeshadow primer portion all over my eyelids. The primer will just help me in holding the colors better. So I'm just going to take like a little bit of it and apply it all over my eyelids. Next, I'll just go in with my concealer and apply it on the same stretch to give the eyeshadows a good base. Not much here, just a sheer layer all over the lid is fine. So I'm going to start off with this brick brown from this palette and get it going on my crease. I think outlining the crease is a good point to start off your makeup with, because it sort of just gives you an idea of how far you can go with the colors that come on your eyelids. So it sort of just gives you an indicator. It's like sort of a marking territory that you cannot go with your colors beyond this line. So I'm just going to apply that and spend some time in blending it. I'm just going all out with colors without any restraint. It's not something that I usually do, but yeah, it's okay. It's festival time. Now I'm going to go in with this color which should go in with most Indian tones. It's this matte olive green that I'm going to use for this eyeshadow look. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply on the outer corners, on the outer V. And as I'm applying it, I'm going to just go on this line, if you can see, and bring it towards the inner corners. Essentially, I'll just repeat what I've done is I've just taken the green color, applied it on the outer corners of the eye, taken it towards the crease and sweeped it towards the inner corner, and I'm leaving the center portion blank. Next, I'll just go in with this gold eyeshadow. I think everybody owns a gold eyeshadow, and I'm just going to take it on my finger and apply it in that empty territory. Next, I'm just going to blend out everything. The green with the gold with the green, and all these colors with the crease above. So yeah, you can spend a minute or two there in getting all the colors together. So like you can see, there's a rich blend of colors here. There's a shadowy brown, there's this matte olive green, and there's this pop of sparkle at the center. So the colors have really come well together. It's just that this look is incomplete till the time you don't have your kajal pencil and your eyeliner going in. It's not done yet. So that's all there is, but otherwise the harmony of colors is fine, and yeah, it looks pretty. I'm just going in with a hint of gold from another palette, because I want to reduce the yellowness of the previous color. Though that looks fine, but yeah, I think I just want to make it a little more coppery and not very yellowish. So that's the only little change that I'm making. The next thing I'm going to do is apply my eyeliner the way I usually do. Along with that, I will also tightline my eyes. I'm using Inglot's gel liner. It is one of the blackest blacks in eyeliners. So there I'm lining my eyes. I'm not going to make the liner very thick, just the way I usually do and to my level of comfort. Now when you go in with a very heavy eye makeup look, chances are that once you're into a few colors, you might think that the look is looking a little off. But the minute you get your eyeliner on, everything falls in place and the look begins to look more complete. That I think happens mainly because we use an eyeliner more often and more on a daily basis. So if you don't know if you're on track or no, just wait till your eyeliner comes in place and then take a call if you should go ahead with it, or perhaps just go and wash your face. Next, I'm just gonna apply a kajal pencil on my waterline the way I usually do. You can play around with colors as well. You can go in with colored pencils, but I generally stick to black because black defines my eyes a little better than other colors. Next, I'll just go in with the same olive green that I had used on my eyes. I'm gonna take a little bit of that color on my brush and apply it underneath the waterline. Now you can go in with false eyelashes if you must, because we're going all out with this look, but I'm going to stick to my mascara. I'm using the Real by Benefit, and I'm going to just apply multiple strokes on my eyelashes because I want my look to be nice and loud. I'm going to take some of my highlighter and go on the brow bone. This will just add a little bit of extra sparkle on the eyes. And I'll take some of that highlighter and apply it on my cheeks. I had already finished off with my bronzer, blush and my lipstick, but I need a touch up. So for the blush, I'm just going to go in with the same lipstick that I've used. I'm using a Thick by Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks. And if you want some more volume on your lips, just take any metallic shade like a gold or a rose gold and just dab it at the center of your lips and blend it with the remaining product on your lips. And those of you who always ask me how to get your makeup last longer, use a setting spray. If you want, you can just add a small bindi on your forehead if you like. So this is the final look. It is colorful, has enough metallic and goes well with the festive spirit. I hope you like this. Please do share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, take care and see you soon.